How to show the toolbar on your Outlook mail. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if your Outlook toolbar is missing, here is the step that you can follow. So for the web version, you can first of all open your browser and log in into your Outlook account. As you can see, the toolbox is present on my Outlook account. It is because of this round arrow on the top right corner. Just click on it and you have to select Simplified ribbon. This will then display the Outlook on your display box. However, if you cannot find it, what you can do is go to View, and then on the right side of the screen, you will see the option of Show Outlook Advanced Options. So this way, you can get the Outlook toolbox on both of your web as well as the installed application. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.